Look, I wrote the script and I can play the character more than anyone. Please.
Come on, like she said, shooting starts tonight.
Look,
gentlemen, please. You distress me. Why? Why do you want to make this girl there on the set?
Because she's talented.
No, what would be the real reason why you want me to there on the set?
Because I broke her heart. I lied to her. I promised I was going to make her a star. Look, Samson, you have to help me, please. I just give us this chance, just one chance, please.
I mean, this is really, really bad, you know? Very, very degrading, I must say.
Look, Mr. Maxwell, we don't need all these big names to sell the movie. No, the movie can still sell. Look, these young ones are talented. Besides, at the end of the day, all we want is a good movie, right? Yes.
You know, and with a good movie, all you need is to get a good director to direct them, and then that is it. Get good technical people around, and you will get a good movie. That's all we want.
But I still insist, we don't need the big names. The young ones are talented. Besides, all these big names grow old. Who will act?
The children.
Exactly. Look, Jen is a very good actress. I mean, she will still sell the movie.
Enough. I've heard both of your arguments. Paula, I need you to assess these young talents and get the information to me.
Sure.
It's not always about making money.
Told you, sir. Me, I'm wise. I use my gumptions for...
Talking too much. What is wrong with you? Sorry, sir. I'll get everything set, sir. Thank you.
Everybody asks me who I be, cause I see many blessings surrounding me.
Yo, what up, man? My name is Samson and you are watching the world. That's
okay, so when another thing is like second that might be how it's
so my enemies, they want that. Cause the things what you do for me and they like you. One for Baba, cause the things what you do for me and they like you. Shout hallelujah, hallelujah. Cause the things what you do for me and they like you.
Great, you're welcome to your greatest meantime radio right here. It is EP Radio with your sleek Mimi K, and today we're going to be talking about amazing things happening in the entertainment industry. I am super excited for today because I have two amazing people joining me today, and right across to me right now is the very beautiful... What else do I call you, Irene? You're welcome, baby. It's good to have you.
It's good to be in your studios as well.
You know what? I'm just so honored. I want to give you a standing ovation, but you know what? Let me just let
take pictures.
You know, great. It's good to have you. But this is your first movie, I presume. How does it feel?
It's wow. I mean, it's a great feeling. You can't go by kinky without taking pictures with people. It's awesome, you know.
I mean, this is my first movie. I've done a couple of movies for struggling producers. This is just the one that's so light.
Finally, you've arrived. You are a superstar now. Like, how does it feel like being a superstar?
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
How does it feel presenting? Everybody listening to you. You go out there. Everybody wants to take a picture with you.
No, I don't. You tell me about yours. How does it feel finally getting into the limelight?
It's just the same way. You just try to be lovely. Love the people out there. I mean,
the streets love me, and that's it. I thank God for being where I am. It's been him so far. The journey has been tough, very, very tough. From one audition to the other.
But need I remind you that if you don't know, or you might not know, Irene has been nominated for the upcoming Global Movie Awards. How does it feel like?
It feels like this. I mean, it's amazing. I know my sister is listening to me right now. I know.
and then she's happy for me. You've been through a lot of things. Anita, wherever you are, I love you, and I'm going to come take you out.
But talking about awards though, she is not the only person who is receiving an award or be nominated for an award. I'm already giving that award to you. Well, the ladies' man himself, People Super Crash, Ankama himself has gotten a nomination for the upcoming Global Movies Award.
I just want to let people that are listening to know that when you have a dream, you live the dream. When you have a dream, you focus on it. You have to be determined and be prayerful. You have to believe in yourself. It's never too late. It's never too late to start. There's always a fresh beginning for everybody, and I want to use this platform as well to apologize to this beautiful girl sitting right here. I'm happy that our dreams came true, and I'm grateful to God that she brought someone like this into my life. I'm happy. Don't get me emotional here. Stop it. And now to top it up, I like to blow my horn. So it's not just the global awards. I mean,
Napado. Banky, you try hard on this beat. Best for the hood. Banky.
It's more to our face, but deep in the brain, they set up a trap and we jump it. When we say kill it, we dey kill it. Enemy come in your numbers. As soon as we enter the game, Jehovah is sprinkling in favor. Watch your man, I'm like, man, kaka, mouwa, man, never damn choma. Next time, before you be hate, you take time. Next time, I want to break, you need to take time. Next time, kaka, I don't go waste time. Next time, before you be hate, you take time. Next time, I want to break, you need
Let's
to
take a
time.
picture.